Hello friends, as we know Apple held an online Apple event on September 14th. Apple unveiled the new family of smartphones alongside the Apple Watch 7, iPad and iPad mini at the California streaming, after weeks of speculation about what updates the new lineup would bring. This year, Apple continues to market the iPhone with 4 models, including iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Both iPhone 13 and iPhone 12 mini retain the same Super Retina XDR screens at 6.2-inch, iPhone 13, and 5.4-inch, iPhone 13 mini. It uses the A15 Bionic chipset and comes with iOS 15 operating system. iPhone 13 has water resistance, dust-proof, and OLED display. iPhone 13 have dual cameras, come with wide and ultra-wide lenses. There is a slight change of position. The camera adds a movie, video, mode, resolution 1080p at 30 fps, adding more depth of field to videos. Records ProRes video in up to 4K resolution at 30 fps. The rear camera comes with a wide lens, an ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lenses, 6x optical zoom, 3x optical zoom in, 2x optical zoom out. These are some other features of iPhone 13 series, which includes 5G support. Capacity starts at 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. There are 5 colors to choose from: white starlight, midnight black, blue, pink, red. Product: 3285 mAh battery, which having much better performance than iPhone 12 series, and will available at 89,999 in India. This is all about iPhone 13 updates. Thank you.